Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, enjoying this beautiful morning with my coffee, getting my robot mower set up, and look what I come across. I don't need any ornaments in my landscape. What do you call this thing? Is it a snowy white egret? Egress? I don't know. You tell me in the comments, but it's beautiful. And you know what else? This thing keeps walking around and following me around when I'm doing the edges. And I swear, it's grabbing little frogs and lizards, those little gecko lizards from my bushes in the landscape, and eating these things straight out. Pretty cool. Here, this is what I'm talking about. It's looking for those lizards and frogs that are hiding in the bushes. Let's see if it can catch something. Oh! Look at that! Lizard! Tail hanging out! Look at that! Look at that! Unreal. Unreal, folks. Yeah, never a dull moment in Artie McYarty's life. That's for sure. Lymow robot mower at it again, making some great stripes, chessboard pattern, just like I like it. Double cut, getting ready for this fall, going into the winter with some pre-emergent that we're going to throw down so we can get ahead of the fall weeds and maintain this dormant grass as it goes into the winter, into the next spring. Exciting.